Hi guys, today I'll be telling how to install DTS drivers in Windows 11. Firstly, uninstall the DTS app. Now open your browser and search for Asus drivers. Search for your laptop or PC and go to the drivers section. Choose the Windows version and scroll down for DTS drivers. It is usually in Software and Utility section. Extract the files and do as I'm doing. Restart your PC now. Now after restarting, go to the Asus drivers site again and search for the DTS app link in the same section as before. Install the app and you're done. Like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.